Hello all. Today we will see about YAML. It's YAML. Today let's practice that. There is a YAML file named practice.yaml under this path directory with a key property 1 and value 1. Add an additional key named property 2 and value 2. cd home bob playbooks. This is the file practice.yaml. Here property colon value 1 is there. Enter. So we need to add property 2 colon value 2. Done. That's correct. We have updated home bob path practice file with the key name and value apple. Add some additional properties given below to the dictionary. Okay, name is apple. We have updated this. Key name is this, value is this, properties. Properties means this way we have to add vi practice.yaml. Already name apple is there. Press enter. Color is red. Weight 90 grams. Let's save this. It's done. We have updated home bob playbooks practice.yaml file with the dictionary named employee. Add the remaining properties to it using the information from the table below. Under employee, name was added. So here employee, this is the dictionary name. Whatever are under that, it is, we can call either this name, gender or age as key or property, and these are the values. Save. Now update this file with the dictionary in dictionary. Add a dictionary named address to add the address information in this file. So if we see, we have added till here dictionary in dictionary. So here we have to give another dictionary address. Because add a dictionary named address. So we have added another dictionary. Under that, city, Edison, state, New Jersey, and country, United States. Done. We have updated this file with an array of apples. Add a new apple to the list to make it total of 4. So this is list. Add 2 more values to make it 6. Five, and this is 6. Done. We have updated this file with some data for apple, orange, and mango. Just like apple, we would like to add additional details for each item, such as color, weight, and modify the remaining items to match the following data. So for apple, color and weight are added. The same way we need to add here color is orange, weight is 90 grams, color is yellow, weight is 150 grams. Check. It's there. We have updated home Bob playbooks practice YAML file with dictionary named employee. We would like to record information about multiple employees. Convert the dictionary named employee to an array named employees. Dictionary named employee, we would like to record information about multiple employees. Convert the dictionary named employee to employees. This is employee, this is employees. EMPLOYEES. Okay. When it is added, number of employees will be added as the list. So here we need to add hyphen before. That was missing. Update home Bob playbooks practice.yaml file to add an additional employee below the existing entry to list using below information. We have to add additional employee hyphen name is Farah. We have to give space gender female age 28. Save, check, done. We have updated this file to add some more details. Add pay information. Remember, while address is a dictionary, payslips is an array of month and amount. Address is dictionary. Playbooks is payslips. This is dictionary. This is an array. If we are creating array, hyphen is mandatory. Hyphen month June amount same way month this is from code cloud. This is used for Ansible provisioning, configuration management, continuous delivery, application deployment, security complaints. If you write a script, this much we have to write, but if it's a playbook, we just need to write this. These are the default configuration from ansible.config. Under default, this will be there. These are the config variables. This command will list all the configurations This command shows current config file. This command shows current settings. This is YAML. Dictionary is unordered and list is ordered. This is array. This is dictionary. These are the list of dictionaries. This is Ansible inventory. These are the IP address or the host names. There are different inventory format types. One is INI, which is simplest and straightforward this way. These two are web servers, these two are DB servers. If you come to YAML, we have to give all children in that web servers, DB servers under that host. A bit complex. These are the variables. Password also added in the inventory. Whether the SSH is taking place or Windows RM. Windows RM is Windows Remote. Variable types. These are number variables, string variables, Boolean variables, list variables. Here we have added dictionary variables. What is variable scope? Magic variables. Furthermore, we can check about playbooks and all. Thanks for watching.